Graphics processing units, GPUs, have evolved significantly from their original purpose of rendering graphics in video games. Today, they are the forefront of technological advancements driving innovations across various fields. Welcome to VAR India News. GPUs are particularly adept at handling the parallel processing required for AI and ML tasks. They accelerate the training of complex neural networks, making it possible to process large datasets more effectively. Many deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch are optimized to run on GPUs, significantly reducing the time required to train deep learning models. The NVIDIA H100 GPU is a groundbreaking piece of hardware specifically designed to accelerate AI workloads. Its unique architecture, massive performance gains, and focus on AI workloads make it a powerful tool for researchers and developers working on cutting-edge AI applications. The Frontier supercomputer, powered by an impressive 37,888 AMD GPUs, has set a new benchmark in the realm of high-performance computing. This deployment underscores the significant advancements in GPU technology and its application in achieving exascale performance. The Aurora supercomputer, featuring a staggering 60,000 Intel GPUs, represents a significant leap in high-performance computing. With 60,000 GPUs, Aurora is set to handle large-scale computations and simulations, making it one of the most powerful supercomputers globally. The increasing computational power of GPUs comes with higher energy consumption, necessitating energy-efficient design. Even the autonomous vehicles rely on GPUs to process vast amounts of data from sensors and cameras in real time, enabling quick decision-making and navigation. These GPUs are used to simulate driving scenarios, helping train autonomous systems in a controlled environment. Having said that, GPUs have undeniably revolutionized the tech landscape. Once primarily used for graphics rendering, they have evolved into versatile computing engines capable of handling complex calculations at unprecedented speeds. Let's look into today's headline. Life insurance sector asks Finance Minister to reduce GST to boost accessibility. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is presenting the Union Budget 2024 today. The life insurance sector in particularly is expecting the Finance Ministry to consider lowering the goods and services tax (GST) on insurance products, reducing GST on term insurance plans, and considering zero rating for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana (PMJJBY) and micro insurance products is believed to make them more affordable and accessible for the masses. UPI One wallet now available to all international visitors coming to India. The National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) has announced the extension of its UPI One wallet service to all international travelers visiting India. First introduced during the G20 summit in India last year, this service will also be available for delegates attending the World Heritage Committee meeting in New Delhi from July 21 to 31st, 2024. This digital payment solution aims to provide a seamless and real-time payment experience, enhancing the convenience for international tourists exploring India. Nokia and Bharti Airtel successfully complete 5G NSA Cloud RAN trial in India. Nokia has successfully completed its first 5G non-standalone NSA Cloud RAN trial with Bharti Airtel in India. The project supports Airtel's strategy of delivering a superior customer experience using high-performance networks. It is expected to deliver higher levels of service innovation, higher network automation, flexibility, and efficient scaling of resources to support end-user services. The trial took place in an over-the-air environment utilizing 3.5 GHz spectrum for 5G and 2100 MHz for 4G. WhatsApp to soon let users connect with others without a phone number. WhatsApp is reportedly planning to launch a new feature to let users create usernames for their profiles. This feature will allow users to create usernames for connecting with other WhatsApp users without sharing their phone numbers. This privacy-focused feature is under development and was spotted on the web client of WhatsApp recently. It may be released in the future of other platforms as well. Consistent offers 4G wireless router CT4GR DAWI. Consistent Infosystems has announced the launch of its latest innovation, the CT4GR DAWI, a powerful 4G wireless router designed to deliver unparalleled connectivity and performance. The new Consistent wireless router is a simple yet highly versatile dual-band wireless 4G router that supports 5G SIM operations. Weighing just 240 grams, this lightweight 4G Wi-Fi router also requires least power to operate, just under 6 watts. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.